Good morning, children. We are discussing about equality in Indian democracy. Last day we see various provisions guaranteed by the constitution to ensuring equality. And the two ways in which the government has tried to implement the equality that is guaranteed in the constitution. So, okay, two ways government is ensuring equality. That is, first way is through laws. Okay, through laws, government is ensuring equality. We studied for provisions. Through that provisions, based on that provisions, government is making many laws and many rules and regulations for ensuring equality. Okay, and second one is that is through schemes, through various government schemes and programs, government is ensuring equality. In addition to the laws, the government set up several schemes to improve the lives of communities and individuals who are treated unequally. Okay, so that is through schemes government is doing. One example, I will say, we are seeing Mahatma Gandhi Gramina Todiyorupu scheme. That is a scheme introduced by the government to eradicate poverty. Okay, so through that schemes, the women's and poor people are getting jobs, and regularly they are getting jobs and they are earning money. Like that, their government is eradicating poverty. Through that schemes, the lives of the poor people improved. So that is a advantage of schemes. And another one best example your textbook is in the textbook is given, that is known as midday meal schemes. Okay, midday meal schemes. What is means midday meal schemes? Midday meal scheme, this is refers to the program introduced in all government elementary school to provide children with the cooked lunch. Okay, refers to the program introduced in all government elementary school to provide children with the cooked lunch. All elementary schools providing cooked lunch for the students. So that is a scheme introduced by the central government. Okay, not in the CBSE school or private school. It is only in government elementary schools. So through these schemes, many changes happen in the society. Okay, many positive effects happened. That is, the first one is that it is the poor children have begun enrolling and regularly attending school. Okay, poor children have begun enrolling and regularly attending school, because the lunch is provided by the school, so the hungry of the children can be solved with that one. So the children very in regularly they can attend the school. Okay, and second one is that it will reduce the mother's works also, because early in the morning the mothers want to prepare lunch and breakfast also, and then only the students can be sent to school. So that problem also solved because the government is giving lunch. Okay, so that is one. Another one is that it is reducing the hunger of the poor children's problem also solved. Then next positive effect is that it is reduced the caste prejudice. Okay, reduced caste prejudice. Okay, because we studied caste system, higher caste and lower caste. These divisions happen in North India. It is many badly. It is going on now also. So what is this through this caste system, and the lower caste students, children, they can't study, or they can't. The higher caste will not sit with the lower caste to eat lunch and all these things. So that kinds of problem also solved. They treated us equally. Their dignity also improved. We accepted the dignity of the poor children and the Dalits. Through through these schemes, all the children are eating the same food and they are sitting near and together and eating. So the caste prejudice also solved by this program. Okay, so these are the positive effects of these schemes. I think you understood. through various schemes, government is ensuring equality. Through these schemes, government is eradicating poverty. Okay, so that is about today's class about midday meal schemes. And these midday meal schemes introduced first in first state is that is Tamil Nadu, and later the Supreme Court asked all states how to adopt the system, and like that now in India all the states are adopted and started this program, and it is very nicely going on. So that is a